Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your back, and it's called a tug of war between your lower back and your leg. And you're supposed to win the tug of war by letting your leg cross over your body. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, you rock with your two hands behind your back, like so. Rock back and forth like a teapot. And then through your back. Can you feel that muscle behind your back? Feel it? Can you feel it? Yeah, that muscle, make sure that muscle is always laying on the floor. Just feel it again, feel it. Yeah, okay, let's do this. That muscle on the floor right now.
Now the tug of war begins right here in the leg. So they're number 4, like this. And then with your other hand, you pull. So this pull right here for the tug of war and your lower back is sticking on the floor. So let's get to it and crack your back. And your hand this way. Alright, same for the other side. Do the number 4, cross the leg. This lower back, stick to the floor at all times. Try it your best. It's a tug of war and you always win. This hand right here pulls back. If you're having trouble, get your friend to help you out to pull this over there. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, please consult your chiropractor, your doctor, or physical therapist. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.